Don't throw away beet peels. Let me show you how to turn them into something amazing. You'll thank me for it. Next time you use a fresh beet, save the skins. Often overlooked, beet peels have incredible health benefits. Simply peel a medium-sized beet and keep the peels. These contain compounds that help detoxify the body and support liver function. Place the peels in a small pot and cover them completely with water. Boil the mixture for about 2 minutes. Then, strain the liquid into a glass using a sieve. This vibrant liquid is a vitamin powerhouse. Rich in nitrates, it boosts circulation and helps regulate blood pressure. To the strained liquid, add 1 teaspoon of honey for sweetness and a tablespoon of olive oil for additional health benefits. You can drink it as is, or add it to your tea. Remember, instead of throwing beet peels away, you can also use them as a nutritious addition to soups and juices. Use this mix daily and you'll see the difference, and thank me later. Drink this before bedtime, and the effects will surprise you. It dissolves everything you've eaten throughout the day. This green beverage is a natural weight loss remedy. It boosts metabolism and aids in easy elimination. Effectively combating constipation, it's simple and inexpensive to prepare. Take 3 smaller cucumbers and peel them. Cucumbers are excellent for hydrating the body, providing numerous vitamins and minerals. They act as antioxidants, aid in constipation issues, support weight loss, and regulate blood sugar levels. Chop the cucumbers into smaller pieces and place them in a container for crushing. Add clean, fresh mint leaves. Mint stimulates the secretion of digestive juices. Squeeze the juice from a lemon and pour it into the container with cucumbers and mint. Lemon primarily alleviates heartburn symptoms and aids digestion. Include a small piece of ginger with the cucumbers and mint. Ginger stimulates the production of saliva, gastric juices, and bile. Pour around 300 to 400 milliliters of water. Blend everything, strain it through a sieve, and pour it into glasses. Drink it every night before bedtime. It takes literally a moment to make. Use it for at least a week, and you'll feel the results. Your metabolism will improve, and you'll experience significant relief. It supports weight loss, leaving you feeling noticeably lighter.
This natural mixture cuts cough like a knife. You will stop coughing immediately, and your throat will stop hurting. It acts as a shield against the flu. Take a large orange. Cut off its end. Using a knife and a spoon, scoop out the pulp. The orange boosts the immunity of mucous membranes and seals the walls of blood vessels, preventing viruses from entering the body. It is rich in vitamin C, which makes the course of the illness milder. Take a clove of garlic. Chop it into small cubes. It contains allicin, a substance that has antibiotic properties. It soothes coughs and inflammations. Put it into the hollowed orange. Next, take a piece of ginger. Peel it and cut it into pieces. It has a warming effect, reduces low-grade fever, alleviates accompanying infection-related headaches, muscle aches, and sore throat. It thins mucus and soothes coughs. Add ginger pieces to the orange. Pour a tablespoon of honey over the mixture. It has antibacterial properties and helps to eliminate bacteria from the body faster. It has expectorant properties, aiding the process of clearing the respiratory passages. It transforms dry cough into a wet one, allowing the expulsion of mucus. Close the orange and leave it for 2 hours. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will be almost ready. Take a citrus juicer. Squeeze the orange with the mixture on it. The juicer strainer will drain the garlic and ginger pieces. Pour the mixture into a small jar. The dosage for children under 2 years old is 2 teaspoons per day. Adults can drink the entire mixture at once.
This mixture eliminates cough and helps remove phlegm. It treats sore throat. You can make it at any time. You will stop cough attacks and recover faster. Slice a red onion. Then chop a piece of ginger. Also, chop 1 garlic clove. Slice 1 clean lime. In a pot, add the ingredients one by one. Onion helps treat persistent dry cough, as well as wet cough with accompanying phlegm. Ginger warms up stagnant secretions, soothes cough, and eliminates sore throat. Garlic is a well-known home antibiotic and has antiseptic properties, thus alleviating sore throat. Lime aids in treating upper respiratory tract disorders, including cough and sore throat. Add a cinnamon stick. This spice effectively soothes sore throat and persistent cough. Pour 2 cups of water and turn on the stove. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer covered for 15 minutes. Then strain and pour into a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey to each glass. Drink twice a day for 1 week. Do you make such mixtures at home? This drink is my favorite in winter. Few people know that spruce needles are a source of health. They support the immune system, especially when there are more upper respiratory infections in winter. A spruce needle drink can help with coughs, throat inflammation, and even bronchitis. The basis of such a beverage is clean spruce branches. You can even use branches from a Christmas tree, as long as there are still needles on them. Cut them into small pieces. Throw a few small Christmas tree twigs into a glass. Pour boiling water halfway. Let it steep for 5 minutes. After that, add dried apple slices, orange peel, and lemon. Pour boiling water again. This spruce tea tastes wonderful. It clears the respiratory tract and has antibacterial properties. You can drink it every day.
A natural stimulant for the intestines and liver. I use it when I have a bloated stomach and when I need to improve my metabolism. Drinking this mixture on an empty stomach not only strengthens the body, but also helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and body weight. It also reduces the risk of heart disease. Cut 2 to 3 lemons into thin slices and put them in a glass jar or other glass vessel. Lemon is primarily a source of vitamin C and protects the body against the harmful effects of free radicals. Then, chop 3 cloves of garlic and add to the chopped lemon. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. Pour honey over lemons and garlic. About 5 large spoons should be enough to cover half of the lemons. Honey prevents cardiovascular diseases. Fill the remaining half of the dish with olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is an ingredient recommended by dietitians and doctors due to its anti-atherosclerosis properties, reducing cholesterol levels and the risk of heart disease. Mix gently, cover and set aside for about 12 hours. After this time, the mixture is ready. Take 1 tablespoon twice a day, 1 in the morning on an empty stomach, the other in the evening before bed. You will quickly notice a significant improvement in your well-being. The feeling of bloating will disappear, your blood test results will improve, and you will also lose unnecessary kilograms. This mixture will also affect the quality of your skin and complexion.